Good day guys, so today we've come down to the local rock wall because it is blowing nothing. Like, there's a little bit of breeze coming in now, thank God, because it is bloody hot. But yeah, we come down about 2:40 at the moment in the afternoon. I've got my big rod that I'm going to put out with a fillet of herring on the unprotected side that's pretty protected now, to see what we can get. Hopefully a tailor or something. I have come down to collect some fillets, so any good sized fish will be coming home for us. But if it's a brim, I'm obviously just going to keep one because there is quite a few at the moment I can see here. But yeah, I want to lob one out there, keep the line in the water, fish on this side, and hopefully catch a few fillets. So yeah, I've been drone fishing with Jace and Nathan, Uncle Nathan, Dad Jace. I call him Dad Jace because like he's pretty much my dad down here, teaching me how to drive and stuff. So yeah, and he loves the same thing, takes me fishing all the time. So but yeah, so I'm gonna rig this up. I'm gonna play on the footage from last night. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you when the line's screaming or when I check in on you next. Woo! Alrighty, so we're fishing North Mole now. No luck on getting the drone working. We were meant to go drone fishing, but now we're just off with a few rods and a few baits. I got my light rod here. See if I can pull a small snap or something off here. Oh yeah, but it must be small fish, eh?
Mine didn't see how much it's taken, because you did slack.
Just wait. Oi, this is getting tapped.
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh.
Did you see that bigger bite though? Babe, I leave it. Well, it was fighting hard. Nah, it's a baby pink. Nah, it's a pink. It's a pinky. It's a pinky.
Send it straight back in like that and let's go get a bigger one.
Nah, it's a pinky, man. I can't do that. They're.
Well, I mean, technically it's going back in its home.
It is a pretty fish though. Take a look at him.
Yeah.
We want him, but
It's dead now.
we want 4 times bigger. 5 times, 6 times, 8 times. Drone fishing off North Mole. Okay, wait there. Loosen the drag.
Oi, have you seen, Jonah from Tonga?
Yeah. Drone's going. Drone is deployed. And big bait is going. Look. Somewhere out there. Yeah, boy. we are definitely on there.
Oh, yeah. Ben and his experience.
Yeah, 100%.
Cool lads, man. Like,
Guys, just watch the drone take off and then that. Yeah, it dropped. I'm not going to call fish, only because the last one wasn't fish. It was weed and yeah, another little pinky, another baby pinky, another bubba pinky. Oh, we're looking for his mum, but at least we know they're around. Getting back nice and quick, beautiful blue colours, getting back nice and quick. Drop, eh?
yeah.
Pump, Jace, pump. I'll come over now. Help you land it. If it's decent. Pull and drag. Yeah, just a second. Now pump. Yeah, come down, come. Yeah, do it past the rod. Just keep it tight, keep it tight. Keep tension, keep tension. It feels good?
Alright,
Yeah, it feels good. Bigger.
is that on that crab? There it is. Yeah, keep one of these.
Oh, it's only a bub. All the hype for the. Yeah, Jace.
Spotted it.
Cheers, bro.
I got it, bro.
Daddy, like a baby.
Still a fish. I was gonna say that looked like.
Got your fish tank. Boy, Jason.
Right, he's happy.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, do me pop it off? Ooh.
Wait, there's your line, mate.
Jason, there's your line.
Oh! Big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish. Pull and drag on the small, on the light gear. Oh, it's a baby pink. Ew, it jizzed on me. Alrighty guys, that's it for the drone fishing. All small pinkies, but all the footage is pretty much crappy because of the nighttime fishing, so my bad. We will be going out to use the drone during the day sometime soon, so stay tuned and let us know in the comments. Anyway, we'll go back to the daytime fishing. Stay tuned because we hook something big. I got fish. Oh, I got good fish too. Possible still. Yeah, grab the camera off my chest. Possible other camera, possible other camera.
What do you reckon it is?
I don't know, I'm thinking stingray.
We can get it. We can get it. Come on.
Fuck. Oh.
You worry about the fucking fish.
Or a pinky. It's swimming like a fish. Yeah.
Oh, kill him. Big skippy, sure.
Nah, big pinky, big pinky. Big pinky. Surely. Fucking good fish.
Hang on. Sorry, camera.
Good fish.
Sorry, babe.
Surely pink. Oh yeah, it's got head shakes. Baby,
I'm trying to get it off.
you know you could just do this, man.
Oh. Sorry, guys.
Come down the rocks, come down the rocks.
Yes. So good. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do two things at once. Video. Sideways or upways? Babe? I'm doing it upways. Come on, fish. Oh, it's a little stingray, guys. Oh, yeah. Kind of looks like a leopard one, but I don't know if she's getting them here. Oh wow, he's got spots on him. What are we gonna do? Do they have a barb?
Yeah.
Please don't get done.
Yeah, I'll be right. What a ray.
Beautiful, Ray. Oh. Babe, don't be stupid. Don't. That's risky. Hang on, guys, sorry.
Might have to cut the hook here. Hope you're going to get up in
Okay, I'm going to stop recording.
Do you tighten this back up? We're going to try getting back in ASAP, so I'm going to cut the hooks and throw him back in. The hooks are us, it's not in his mouth. So, yeah. Alright.
Holy shit, you got so much adrenaline.
Yeah, because I'm playing with a deadly animal here.
Come on. Okay.
Oh, just 2 seconds.
So that's how you go away?
you get out of there?
Beautiful.
Yeah, he's gone. Yeah, he's down there. Oh, yes.
Good job, hun.
Yes.
Good.
Oh.
Decent? Yeah. He looks smaller now. Oh yeah, he is donkey. Oh, oh.
He's a big
They're
crab.
all males in here. I don't think we've ever caught a female.
He's a big crab. He's an actual decent. He's bigger than our last ones
Is he?
that we got from here.
He is fatter.
He's a donkey.
Yeah,
Ah, there we go. Well, we've got something to put to the cooler
and
bag.
the colours are stunning.
And he's a lot, heaps full too. Take a look at him. He's a giant, man. Alrighty, guys. That's it for this week's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for subscribing. Make sure you like, subscribe, sharing, comment. And I'll see you guys next week in the next adventure. We out.